Oh, good girl.
Good girl. There she goes.
Whoops.
There she goes. Oh, look, Mommy will turn it. There we go. There you go. There you go. You can push.
Oh, good girl. And she
Yeah,
turns
look.
it as well.
There you go. Look, and we'll turn like this. There you go. Look. Good girl.
She's really getting the hang of it now, isn't she?
Good
Yes.
girl. There you go. Oh, what's that? We gotta be careful. Should we push some more? Look, let's go this way. There we go. Push down this way. Look, look, look. Here she comes. Here she comes.
That's a long push, isn't it?
Good girl. Oh, is it gonna? Here we go. There we go. Yeah, Mommy fix it. Good girl.
Right. Are you coming into Monkey's bedroom? Are you
You're gonna
coming
go
this
that way. Actually, she might find it hard to maneuver. Maybe we'll go this way. You're just gonna pop in there and then. There you go. There you go. We'll go in a straight line down this way. Yeah, Daddy'll be back soon. Well, there you go. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Chloe. Chloe, are you pushing? You're pushing your trolley. Good girl, you turned it all by yourself. Don't worry. Oh, Mama's here. It's okay. Mama's here. You're going to push this way. What can you see? Careful. No, we don't want to get inside. Look, you can build things with the blocks. Look. You can go that way. What can you see? There she goes.
It's just the right height for her, isn't it?
Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect time for her to have it. Oh, bump. Look. Let's go back again. There you go.
Oh, that's good. Oh, you're so clever.
Good girl. Look at you turning it. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we might have to turn it around again. Should we turn around again?
Good girl.
What can you see? Yeah. Let's turn around again.
Is that one of your bricks over there? Is that one of Chloe's bricks over there?
Oh, yeah, I think it might be. I think that she's lost a few that were that way. There we go. There you go. Look, let's go that way. It's okay.